You have a website. You use passwords like these. You also hash them for extra protection. But this fucking hacker hacked your website using your very own account without even needing a password. How did he do that? Simple. SQL injection. What is that? It happens when you don't sanitize your inputs, but how does he do it? When you submit a password and a username into a database, it usually reads it like this. Select all from users where username equals name and password equals password. If the username and password match, then it returns true and lets you log in using that username. But you can manipulate that by simply entering your username like this. But what does this mean? The single quote is to exit the string. Then the or 1 equals 1 always returns true. The double dash is to comment everything after this so you don't get an error. And this makes your statement always return true. It makes you log in. Now let's try this on a practical example. We simply enter this payload in the username field like we said. Boom, we are administrator. You'll find the link in the description if you want to try this to yourself. But what if you wanted to log in as a particular user? Let's say I want to log in as admin. I enter my username admin, then the payload from before, but only we replace the or with an and. So it has to check for two things: that my username is admin and 1 equals 1. If you want to try this yourself, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.